Hey, I'm Derrick and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you're learning about things that will help you in everyday life. Now we're going to talk about how to change the engine air filter in a Kia Sorento. Now you can go to a mechanic or a dealership, they'll charge you kind of a high price just to do something that takes a minute, and the filters are very cheap. So do it yourself, it's really easy. Now one thing I would say is Kia recommends getting this done 15 to 30,000 miles in normal driving conditions, or 10,000 miles if you have extreme conditions. But always check it every oil change. So you don't have to change it, but just check it every oil change. So with that said, let's get to it. So like I said, it's really easy. All you have to do is open this tab up. It says pull out to open. You actually just kind of pull it down and you're good to go. Now right here, you're going to see some tabs. If you have this, it's a locking tab. All you have to do is just push them down like so, and then you can just pull the air filter out. Now there's some filter that won't have these little locking tabs like so. It doesn't matter which one you get, they both work just fine. It's just the locking tabs fit a little more secure than the ones that do not. But again, like I said, they work fine. So here, you're gonna notice on the top, you really can't see how dirty it is. It looks just about the same, but when you flip it over, you can definitely tell that it's dirty and it needs to be changed. So with that said, let's just take this. It's in the lock position. I'm gonna open them up like so. Slide it in, push it down, then lock it in. You can see I can't pull it out by the little tab. Close it, and we're done. I hope this helps. Take care.